Hello guys, my name is Akshima Agarwal. Today we are going to discuss a very special function which is used in Python, that is generators. So generators are used to generate an iterator. An iterator is an object which is used to iterate the collection of items which are stored as lists, tuples, dictionaries or sets. So these are the special functions which we are using. So how are they different from the ordinary functions? Generator uses the yield statement instead of return statement. Now what is the difference between the yield and return? Yield statement controls the flow of the execution of the function, whereas return statement helps in exiting the function or returns a single value at a time. Returns a single value. Whereas the yield statement is used to generate the values as we are required. And it also saves the current state so that it will generate the value where we left off. Stores the current state. As an example, if we have one list and it consists of numbers. Now, what yield statement does? Yield statement helps in controlling the iteration of this iterable with the help of the next function. Okay, it generates the value one by one. In one go, 1, second, 2, then third. After processing all these values, if we want the next value, then it generates. Otherwise, no. So it is a memory efficient function because it generates the values according to the need of the user. Whereas the ordinary function returns all the values at a time. Returns all values at a time. So it takes more memory than a generator function. So why generators are called lazy evaluators? Because they generate the values according to the need rather than creating a list of values simultaneously. So that is why they are called the lazy evaluators. And generators are able to handle large data sets because they are the memory efficient functions. Now let us see the difference with the help of the code. Now, first of all, I'm going to create a simple function with return statement. I'm taking a variable num0 and I'm just creating the list using the value while num is less than n. Then we are going to append m in the list. Dot append num. Num 1. Now what we are going to do is going to return the result. Now let's print. Now let's see the output. So we're able to generate all the values at a time with the help of the return statement. Now I'm going to use the yield statement. Let's create a function def. Zero while num n, right? What we are going to do, yield num and num plus equal to 1. Now here I'm going to take one simple variable c equal to, passing an argument 5. Now I want to print the value with the help of the next. Print next. Then print next. Now let's see the difference. See, if we are using the first print statement, it prints 0 and saves the current state as 0. Then if we are calling the next function again, then it prints the next value. So if we are using the statement again, print the next value, because it saves the current state of the value and starts wherever you left. 0, 1, 2. So that is the beauty of the generator function. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. If you find any difficulty, kindly let me know with the help of your comments. So I hope you like it. So kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.